Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today is a snowy day. We have a snowstorm warning in effect for Ontario, Canada. Right now the storm is happening. This is the view from my bedroom window. This is the backyard of my house, and this is the front yard of my house, and this is the front entry to my house. Right now, I am heading towards Walmart near Morningside, and here is the road condition of my neighborhood. It is supposed to snow up to 50 centimeter in some parts of Ontario. As you guys can see right now, it is very hard to see the roads, very hard to see the lanes, and it's slippery, and you don't know which is snow, which is road, or which one is ice. So you have to drive very carefully. I will be taking the highway 401 to Morningside Walmart. The road conditions are foggy, and you have to make your own lane and drive at a safe speed. So in Canada, during storm and any kind of unsafe condition, you're allowed to drive at a safe speed. As you guys can see right now on the highway, there aren't many people. Yes, it is recommended to stay home if it's not an emergency. You're supposed to stay home during this bad weather or bad conditions. When you're driving on the highway, you're supposed to leave at least one car gap so you don't get into any kind of accident, and drive at a safe speed, a speed that is safe for you. If you're driving really slow, you are supposed to be driving on the right hand side or the right hand side lane. Drive safe, and we're heading towards Walmart near Morningside. I am just exiting highway, entering the Walmart area, Milner Walmart area, and this is the road condition of the area. It is still foggy and same as what I shown you guys early. The roads aren't visible. Please drive safe and drive at a safe speed also. Don't speed or do anything crazy. Just drive safe, get to your destination, and head home safely. I am here at Walmart near Morningside. The parking lot seems to be very busy. I don't understand why people are out here at Walmart, especially at Walmart. For what? The parking lot is very busy. The road condition is worse, and there is no need to be at Walmart. I don't know why people are here at Walmart. I don't recommend anyone coming to any kind of grocery unless it's an emergency during this storm weather condition. It is not pleasant walking in the snow, especially this amount of snow, and I'm not even wearing any snowshoe at the moment, so it is very difficult to walk in this snow. It's not pleasant. Back on the road again, heading home, taking the highway 401. It's always safe to take the highway rather than the local roads. Nothing changed in this 30 minutes. I was inside the Walmart. Nothing changed that much. It's still the same road and same condition. It feels like the city has not started plowing yet. The city did not plow the roads yet because it's still snowing at the moment. So I guess the city will start plowing once the snow stops. This is the highway 401 from the top of the road. The storm supposed to be stopping at 5 a.m. Monday morning. This is the condition of the highway 401. It's very hard to see anything. This is the highway speed, driving at 50 kilometers per hour. Suddenly spotted a car driving on the right hand side of the road where the road is not even clear. It is not safe to drive on the road that is not plowed. It's a little bit dangerous because you cannot see what's on the road. Look at someone in the winter time. You're going reverse, like backwards. Like what's going on? Thanks for watching. Stay warm, stay home, and stay safe.